right, guys, welcome back in Ramadan Kareem. Today we're going to do a really fun video with my good friend LAMA from MAMALU'S kitchen, and we're going to make an amazing dish, and it's going to be a super simple, easy to do recipe, easy enough for me to do. So let's see, where's she at? Come over here, LAMA. Yay!
I'm very sorry, that was a bit slow. But I'm here, I didn't leave.
All right, LAMA, so what are we starting with?
Molokhia, Egyptian molokhia or jute leaf stew.
Oh my God, I'm so happy we're making this because Sudanese people eat this a lot.
Oh really?
So I can try and make this for Hassan's family one day, maybe?
Oh, it's great and it's so healthy and it's one of my favorites. So we just put oil. Okay. I need you to put some salt and pepper on the chicken, please.
We have pink Himalayan sea salt, right?
Yes, pink Himalayan. So just kind of like that.
Okay, Salt Bae.
Yeah, Salt Bae style, there you go. Amazing. That's awesome. So you can use any chicken. These are chicken legs and chicken thighs, but without the skin. So we're doing like a healthy molokhia. Okay. Yeah, just turn it around.
Gotta be cooking for dummies here, guys.
That's it. I'm gonna let you cook. I'm gonna get a little chair here. Maybe just sit down, but just careful. And
Okay.
Perfect. If you want, we can add a little bit more salt and pepper. What we're doing is we're just searing it, and then we're gonna boil it.
So what is molokhia?
It's called jute leaf.
Jute leaf.
Yeah, jute leaf stew. It's kind of like a green.
Spinach.
Yeah, it's very similar. It doesn't have that bitterness that spinach has. It's so good. But you have to put the right toppings. Without the toppings, it's like eating ketchup without fries. Okay, I'm gonna add some water. Just be careful. Just a little bit. Just for some chicken stock. So, and now whatever leftover vegetables you have in your fridge, just like lemon, onion with the peel, just dump
throw it in there?
Just throw it in there. How easy is that?
Oh my God.
Garlic, just whatever. If you have half a carrot, just like that. Just cinnamon stick. Just go crazy. Like lemon, just leftover in your fridge. It's beautiful. There we go. Yeah, if you have bay leaves, that goes in there too as well.
That's so cool.
Just like to remove that chickeny, that like, yeah. We're gonna close the pressure cooker. You don't have to do this in a pressure cooker. You can use a normal pot. Don't get like, this is complicated. Don't worry about it. Okay. But this just cooks in like half the time.
Oh my God, that's
so great. Instead of like taking, I don't know, 25 minutes to boil this chicken, it's gonna take us 10 minutes. We're gonna start making the molokhia. We can start to even mix our stuff. We're gonna use this. So basically what we're gonna do is we are gonna put a bit of oil. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you.
Just like a splash?
Yeah, like a splash.
Like that?
Yeah, a bit more.
A bit more?
A little bit, it's healthy, yeah.
We got the onions, we gotta chop.
Beautiful. Oh, garlic. Yes. Garlic to compensate for the no coriander, okay? We're gonna make it up. This is like, if you have a cold, it's gonna go.
It smells so good.
So good.
Ooh, wow.
Eat dried coriander or not really? No coriander. Lose the coriander, totally fine. Before that's about to burn, garlic burns really fast. Oh my gosh. We're gonna add some chicken stock, which is what you would get from here. Okay, so this is the sauna.
Ooh. Beautiful. Oh, nice. Okay, and that will keep the garlic from burning.
And then what you're doing now is called deglazing. It's like it's a cooking term. So you're just removing all these like little,
burnt edges.
and with the slimy.
What is it mixed with? Just water?
Yeah, nothing.
Just water.
Just nothing. This was frozen. It's just defrosted, so there's nothing in it. I'm gonna add some salt now.
I wish you guys could smell through the camera.
A little bit of just like
sprinkle it in.
Yeah, and then a quarter of a teaspoon of the black pepper, just like the tip of the spoon. Yeah.
Is this you're gonna be cooking? Of a teaspoon?
Yeah, that's perfect. You got it.
Oh
you
my God, I'm a chef.
The whole
I'm a chief.
That's it. Now we're gonna put the pressure cooker function, and then I think and then just.
Ooh, it makes noises and music and everything. Oh my God.
Well, that's done. That's doing its magic. Perfect. I think we can see if this is done as well.
Okay, awesome.
Just turn it off, and are you ready? Okay, it's like super safe, but don't worry. But you just want it towards like out there, and then you just like release, and then it starts doing this.
Oh wow.
Just even if you try to remove it all in one go, it's not gonna pop, but you want to do it slowly because you don't want kind of steam everywhere. There you go. How does it look?
I'm learning all these tips.
Oh my God, I'm so shiny.
Oh yeah, it is in here.
So that's your chicken. It's probably raw from inside, but it doesn't matter because we're gonna put it in the oven. So we're gonna give it a nice golden color, like a really a sexy chicken. Let's make a sexy chicken. So just some lemon juice, okay? Maybe not that much. And you're gonna mix in some tomato paste, paprika in that lemon juice with a bit of oil.
Mush up the tomato paste.
Exactly.
And the paprika.
Yes, perfect. And I'm gonna put some paprika now.
Oh, that's okay. That's
Yeah.
the tomato paste. Was that
And
lemon?
then I'm gonna put lemon, yeah.
Lemon,
so
tomato paste, and paprika.
Exactly. And then just some olive oil. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Ooh, this looks like it'd be great with pizza.
Yeah. I'll just put a bit
Right.
of salt. So it's a nice like golden bath for the chicken. Just going to get our beautiful chicken legs and give them a nice color so they don't look pale. Brush all that goodness onto the chicken and you'll see how they'll just like change.
Just brush it on top?
Yeah.
Like this?
Perfect, like that. And that's enough. And then we're just gonna put like on the sides.
Okay, so.
But like, yeah, that quantity is perfect. That's
Okay.
it. See? How good does that look?
That's so
We're gonna put it in
good.
the oven. It's gonna be shiny,
Oh, really?
glossy, red.
Ooh.
That's ready for the oven. And it will be done in like 10 minutes, not even,
Whoa.
because it's already cooked.
All right, we're back.
We're back. We're back.
Yes.
We're back.
What are we
And we're
doing
going to just start DJing. Put some music now. I feel like I'm in Ibiza. My friends are sister. Ready? So the steam has released. And look at that amazing. Look at you. And if you want to add
my
stock
goodness.
at this point, you can. You just see how kind of like saucy you want it. I think it's fine. I think we don't need to add anything. But we are, you know, gonna taste it. And then the chicken, we'll also take it out. I'm gonna teach you an amazing trick. You just put some oil.
Okay.
And then you just brush it on top.
Brush it.
And then it just starts to look shiny.
Ooh, should I do
and
more?
yeah, you just want to make it, that's it. And then, that's it, perfect.
Oh, wow.
And that's our chicken.
Pouring it in our beautiful
Just
bowl.
pouring it in the bowl, and then we're gonna add the chicken
Gorgeous.
on top. Oh, perfect. And then we'll do another one. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, if we can't get them all in, it's
I
okay.
think I can be
That's
your
good.
assistant,
There
Lama.
you go. I think 3 is
Three is
enough.
good?
Yeah,
Okay.
3 is good. So that's it. And then you have your toppings of choice. So just some rice, nice fluffy rice, and then we're gonna put some molokhia. So good.
Oh my goodness, that looks really divine.
Right?
Let's do it.
you
I
like
the
chili?
word.
You like
I
chili?
love chili.
Oh, good. I'm gonna give you just a piece there. And what you do is how you eat it. You're supposed to have a bite and then just, and then have a bite and then you have to do that. That's like part of the ritual.
Is it super hot chili?
No, it's
Okay.
baked. It's okay. So I'm gonna put this. This is vinegar and onion. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah.
And this is not fried. Usually they do fried bread, but this is like baked. Oh, and you have to take a bite of this right after. It's a process. Go for it. It's not spicy. Yeah, I'm gonna she's gonna come out like a.
Oh my god, it's so
Really? It's so good, no? You have to have the toppings. You have to have the toppings.
You guys have to try this. It's so good.
Oh, yay.
Like unreal.
Oh, really? Oh, amazing. Oh my God. Look at you passed. Amazing.
Unreal. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this really easy tutorial with LAMA. We created this beautiful dish, Molokhia, and honestly it's the best tasting Molokhia I've ever tried in my entire life. She put her little twist on it. It's so easy to make, very enjoyable, and I'm telling you, if I can make it, you can make it. Comment down below, let us know what you want us to make next, and make sure you follow MAMALU'S on Instagram and all their platforms. We're gonna link them down below. Love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and thank you, LAMA.
Thank you. Thank you. Always
you
so
so
much fun
much.
cooking with you, with our DJ moves.
Yes.